Welcome to another transformation by Home Restoration Experts Inc., where we turn visions into reality. Today, we're excited to show you a stunning makeover at one of our recent projects. Let's start at the top with the roof. We replaced the old shingles with high-quality, weather-resistant materials that not only enhance the home's aesthetic but also provide long-lasting protection. Next, the siding. Notice the sleek and modern appearance? This is not just about looks, it's about durability. Our premium siding materials ensure your home stands up to the elements and stays looking fresh for years to come. No detail is too small for our team. These newly installed gutters perfectly match the home's exterior, ensuring effective water management and adding to the overall charm. At Home Restoration Experts, every project is an opportunity to enhance a home's beauty and functionality. Visit our website or give us a call today to learn how we can transform your house into the home of your dreams.